IPL 2024 match number 10 Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus Kolkata Knight Riders, both team playing 11th and match details. Date 29 March 2024, time 7:30 PM India Standard Time, venue Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru. RCB team playing 11th. Number 1 Faf du Plessis, captain. Number 2 Virat Kohli. Number 3 Rajat Patidar. Number 4 Glenn Maxwell. Number 5 Cameron Green. Number 6 Anuj Rawat, wicket keeper. Number 7 Dinesh Karthik. Number 8 Mayank Dagar. Number 9 Aljari Joseph. Number 10 Mohammad Siraj. Number 11 Iyas Dayal. KKR team playing 11. Number 1 Phil Salt, wicket keeper. Number 2 Venkatesh Iyer. Number 3 Shreyas Iyer, captain. Number 4 Nitish Rana. Number 5 Rinku Singh. Number 6 Ramandeep Singh. Number 7 Andre Russell. Number 8 Sunil Narine. Number 9 Mitchell Starc. Number 10 Harshit Rana. Number 11 Varun Chakraborty.